Thursday, October 19th. So yesterday I did not make any trades. The market just didn't set up for me. All of the levels that I was watching just didn't pan out. So we just kind of grinded down yesterday, kind of choppy action. So I stayed away. So today, pretty important level on SPY, this 431.50 level. As you can see, we have a lot of touches on this level. This is a 1 hour chart I have pulled up on SPY. So a lot of consolidation way back here, bounced off of it here, consolidated here. Rejected here, finally broke out, and then rejected off of it here and is retesting it right now. So I will go ahead and zoom in. So 431 on SPY, you can see it's rejecting here pre-market. So this is a key level I'm going to be watching for a short play today, this 431.50 level. Also going to be watching AMD today, this 105. I was watching 105 yesterday. We kind of came up, almost hit it, and then rejected off of this level. So I'm going to be watching this 105 on AMD for a short play as well if we can get up there. So just watching SPY here, we're about 15 minutes into the trading day. So that 431.50 rejection happened pretty quick. So if you didn't take a trade in the first couple of minutes, then you pretty much missed that play. But this is where a lot of traders will start making mistakes. So we came down here, nice rejection off of that level, came down here. And then, a lot of traders would just jump in shorts here, just expecting this to continue down. But a lot of the times when this starts to consolidate like this, we'll have another push up into one of these levels, maybe pick up some liquidity up at around 431 or so, and then make the next move down. So you really don't want to open any short plays in this consolidation. So just watching NVDA here. NVDA has supply at 430. As you can see right at the open, we rejected off 430. So I'm going to be watching this level around 428.50 for another possible rejection on NVIDIA. So just watching NVIDIA here, we're about to hit 430. Big old squeeze on NVIDIA. So I'm going to take a one contract there on this squeeze up to 430. I'm going to have a tight stop on this one. Alright, so I just went ahead and took that one off. So that was a nice play at a key level on NVIDIA. So I'll zoom out so you can kind of see that trade idea. I didn't really talk about this one pre-market, but 430 was a key level on NVIDIA yesterday. We zoom out to the, we'll go 15-minute chart. So 430, we kind of popped up here yesterday and rejected at 430 twice, and we just kind of melted down the rest of the day. So 430 I had on my chart since yesterday actually. As you can see, we came back up to 430, had a nice rejection off of that level. So that's why I ended up taking a put right at the top there and just took it back off when we came back here to this lower band. So consolidation here is usually where I like to exit the trades. That's exactly where I exited. As you can see, it's bouncing off that consolidation. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and call it there. I was looking at a few tickers pre-market, mainly SPY as always. But that SPY play, that short entry, just kind of happened super quick and I ended up missing it. And now it's just sort of doing the same thing it did yesterday. It's just choppy, grindy action. So not interested in trading that. I was also looking at AMD. AMD is sort of a slow mover. Not really too thrilled about trading this ticker, but we did have a lot of supply up here at 105, so I was watching that level. Didn't quite make it up there. Kind of rejected off this 104.60 level. So no trade there as well. I was watching at NVIDIA since yesterday. I was watching 440 yesterday, but it obviously never came up to 440 at all. It didn't even come close. And basically right off the open, it rejected off 430. So I was watching 430 again. It opened right here around 427, kind of popped up and then broke right down basically immediately. So this is a 15-second chart. So this is basically like less than a minute. It just sold off. So wasn't quick enough on that one either, and it really didn't come up to 430 either. I was watching 430, but as you can see, we had a nice recovery all the way from 422.50 on NVIDIA up to this 430 level, and that's when I started getting interested. The first trade I did take was at this consolidation, which was the bottom of this imbalance or the supply zone right here. So I ended up taking one contract here, and as soon as this broke this little swing high, I cut that. It was like a $26 loss. Waited for this to come all the way up to 430. Took an entry right here. This is a really risky entry because obviously this is a very strong move up. So very risky entry off of this 430 level. But I did, again, have a tight stop. If this broke this swing high even a little bit, I was going to cut the trade really quick and go ahead and look for something else. But it didn't. Got in right at the top basically and sold on this consolidation. So that was a really nice winner on NVIDIA. and is now pretty much just kind of chopping around here, kind of trading within this range, this intraday range. So I'm not really interested in trading this one anymore. We already kind of touched that 430 level. Chances are if we get back up to this level, we probably won't reject on it again. We probably will just make a move higher back up to this maybe 430 supply zone up here. So I'm just going to call it a day with those two trades. First one was a small loser. Second one was a nice winner, both on NVDA. Didn't trade SPY at all today. And we'll go ahead and pull a P&L. So the first trade, like I said, was about a $26 loss. Second one was about $120 something winner, which totaled $84 winner on the day. So that's it for me today. After a no trade day yesterday, it kind of feels good to get back in the green. So we're going to go ahead and call it and come back tomorrow. We do have Powell speaking today at noon, so definitely not going to be interested in trading anywhere near noon. And we will come back tomorrow and do it all over again. So thanks for watching. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed the content. Leave any questions in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.